Fellas, welcome back to Tailor by Ty. I'm Ty the Tailor, and today I'm going to be bringing you into my world. That's right, the world of thrifting. Now, I don't even do regular shopping anymore. All my clothes come from the thrift store, and I'm saving hella money. When I tell you I'm saving so much money. Now, I do shop at the regular retail fast fashion brands, but when I do, I'm going straight to the clearance aisles, man. I'm not paying the high prices that you see in these aisles, man. It's absolutely ridiculous. So what I'm going to do for you today is I'm actually going to take you to Goodwill, man. I'm going to take you to the aisles with me, and we're going to actually see just how cheap these clothes are, man. Like these things, $6, $8, like things that you would go to the regular retail store, man, for some Levi's and pay $40, $50, man, and come out of the Goodwill with $8 jeans on that somebody just simply just threw away. My biggest quote is, one man's treasure is another man's treasure. So that's what I'm gonna do for you today. I'm actually gonna transform an outfit that I get from Goodwill and go through the entire process on just how my mind works when I'm in the thrift store and how to navigate through the aisles. And once I bring it back to the house, man, I'm gonna transform it from just your normal baggy looking clothes, man, that you probably would have passed up on, to transform it to something that actually fits my style. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do for you today. Let's get to the thrift store. Let's get it. All right, so when you're in the thrift store, guys, one of the biggest things is, you know, they got all sorts of items, all sorts of colors, clothes, whatever. The biggest thing is just finding your size. Patterns that you can see, they have all sorts of patterns. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what you go with. It's just fitting your style, whatever you feel comfortable in. I'm gonna take you through the process. So I'm gonna take you through something like this shirt here. See how I can jazz it up. It's a large. As you can see, it's only $5.99, man. Like deals you cannot beat at all. So we're going through a couple different things, guys. As you know, vertical stripes are in right now, so I'm liking that there. Let's see what else we can find. Follow me over here. I think I found it, guys. I think I found the shirt. Linen, best type of fabric for the summertime, man. I can't stress that enough. This is the shirt I'm most definitely going for, man. Say it's linen, breathable, great length, and like I said, you might not see the potential in it right now, man, but wait till I tailor this. All right, guys, so now we're to the pants. I got the shirt. It's gonna be one of the best things I ever do, man. I'm telling you. So right now I'm at the pants, man. And again, don't worry about it being in your size. If it's too big, you can always tailor it down. So right now I'm looking for a 34, which is my size. But if I find something I really like and it's a 36, you can really take it off 2, 3, 4 inches, man. That's the best part about, you know, doing your own clothes. It don't have to fit you at the moment, but you can tailor it down to make it fit exactly how you want. So we're gonna look through this right now and see what we got. You gotta support my dreams.
I am. That's why I'm here when I could be at Taco Bell.
God, she don't support me. All right, fellas, so found these jeans. They're a little bit too big, but again, the best part about being a tailor, man, you can take in the waist, get it right to where you're trying to, where it fits exactly on your waist. So that's what I'm gonna do. They're a little big, but you're gonna see the transformation on these like you've never seen before. So I'm excited about these pants. We're gonna go with this shirt here. We're gonna match it up here. Transformation, and this is going to be real, so I'm excited about this. This is going to be pretty cool for us to transform this though here. So it goes together really well. So let's get in the line, let's pay for this. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up. Let's say 14 bucks. Can't beat that, man. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna tailor this stuff, I'm gonna show you the before look, and then I'm gonna show you the after, man. You won't believe this. 14 bucks, man. Okay, we're back. And as you guys saw, man, I went with a super classic style, man. I went with the Levi's with the linen shirt, man. And it's unmatched. You can't top that, especially for the summertime with the linen shirt and with the jeans, man. You're gonna see the transformation, man. You probably didn't see it in the clothes that I picked up at the thrift store, man, but I'm telling you, once you learn how to tailor your own clothes, you can actually transform your clothes from just your typical baggy, loose fitting clothes to something that actually is tailor made to you, that you did yourself, man. That's the point of this channel, that you did yourself. So I'm gonna go now for a perfect price of $8, man. $8. I picked up these jeans, man, and as you can see, really big. Big on the waist, big on the on the thighs and legs and everything like that. A little bit too baggy for my taste, but the best part about it is that these are 541 Levi jeans, man. And jeans are the easiest thing to find at the thrift store. At the retail store, these Levi pants will go for anywhere between 40 to 60 bucks, man. And you decide. Just let me know. $8 or 60, man. You decide on which price that you want to pay for some jeans, man. Next, we have this linen button up, or is it button down? I've heard both sayings growing up, but I want to know, which one is it? Which one would you say it is? Is it button up or button down? There is a difference, and I'll be making a video on that in a later date. Let's get into the details. Now, for this shirt, it is a linen Joseph A. Banks shirt, man. $6. You cannot, when I tell you can't beat these prices, man, $6 for this shirt. Now, let me tell you, man, this is the best part about tailoring and thrifting. This shirt goes for $6, right? This is a Joseph A. Banks Reserve Collection, which means this is a $109 shirt, man. $109, man, for this shirt. I got it for $6. This is a absolute steal. You cannot beat it. I am going to hold on to this shirt for the rest of my life because it's a $109 shirt, man. What can you do? With the shirt, man, I'm actually going to be sewing the sleeves on this thing, man, just to hug the guns a little bit more. I'm also going to be taking in the side seams, man, the torso area. As you can see from the shirt, man, it's actually just a little too flowy, man. I love linen, and that's the best part about linen, man. It flows with the wind and it breathes really great, but it's just a little bit too much for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew it in on the sleeves, and I'm also gonna sew it in on the torso area just to fit a little bit better, man. It's gonna drape, it's gonna fall a little bit better than what it's looking right now. And I know you don't see the potential in it right now, but trust me, when I get done, it's going to turn out great. After I sew everything, I'm actually going to show you how I put it all together, man. This is going to be a serious transformation, man, and I'm actually excited for it. So let's get into it. The first thing I do is when I buy pants or jeans or anything like that, I do the waist first. If it's too big, I'm normally a 34 waist size. But these pants in itself was almost 39 to 40, man. Hella big. But the power of tailoring really saved me with this one, man, because honestly, that's really the best part about tailoring your own clothes is you can buy clothes that's a little bit too big for you and tailor them down. If you want to see how I take in the waist of these pants, go up there in the right-hand corner of your video right now, man, and watch the full detailed video of how I take in the waist of these exact pants that I have on today. Next, I'm doing the length of the pants. Now, I like to play around with this because I base all my pants based off of the shoes that I'm actually wearing with them. I know what you're thinking. Yes, that's actually a real thing. All pants and shoe combination are not treated equal. I'm actually going to be making a video on that at a later date. When I say that the pants and shoe combination is not treated equal just on just the length of it, it really isn't, man. When you look at fashion, you look at how a loafer sits with a lower cut pant, man, it just doesn't look pleasing. And then with a Chelsea boot, if it's a high-rise type of pants, it just doesn't look good. So in my opinion, I cut all my pants to the length of or the style of the shoe that I'm actually going to be wearing. So I'll be making a video on that. Look out for that at a later date. After the length of the pants, I'm actually going to be taking in the side seam of the pants. Now, this is by far the easiest thing to sew. If you guys don't sew anything, this is the thing that you want to sew. This is so super simple, and I'll be making a video on this as well. The button-up shirt is the most classic piece in the men's fashion world. It's unmatched, it's unbeat, but so many of us are wearing it too big. Some shirts are just too big, man. Some shirts are supposed to be looser fitted, but some are actually supposed to be tailored down, man. I tailor all my shirts to fit the style that it's intended for. So for this linen shirt, it's supposed to be a looser fit, but slightly fitted as well. You know, it's supposed to flow. As you can see, it's flowing a little bit too much, but if I just tailor it down to where it's just right, it's gonna flow just that much better. So this is a classic and casual style, so it's supposed to be untucked, man. The worst thing is the saying shirts is just too big, man. That can be brought down to the size of the gentleman just to fit just right. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with this shirt. After everything is tailored, this is what we got. I hope this video was somewhat helpful, man. If you want to see more videos like this, along with fashion and tailoring tips, man, please subscribe, comment. With that being said, enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. Peace.